Welcome back to Land of the Wombats. It's your bad old Uncle Chris, here to share some off-grid pirate lifestyle stories. And today we are here again. We are digging out a flat space for a couple of large water tanks. And I think they're about 5,500 litres each, which is about maybe, I don't know, 1,500, 1,600 gallons each. Needs quite a large space, and all this soil, super useful. We're actually taking it and using it in several different projects around the property. So hang in there and I'll show you around. Most of the soil that we've removed has been brought down here. We just get it in a power wheelbarrow and just dump it in here. And it's used to as backfill along this wall. Probably a bit hard to see because it's in the shade, but you'll get the idea. And this area collects water from off the roof of the machinery shed here. And it's a fantastic system because we don't really use it much over winter. You don't need to. And we can actually pump any excess water from here to the house overflow tanks and then back up to the house. That's an aircraft. We're in a bit of a flight path here. So over the last week or two, I've installed a 60 metre long, that's 200 foot, 1-inch pipe going all the way back uphill with a couple of connectors in there to make it easy to tap water off at any point. So we can now send water in any direction, up or down the hill, so depending on where we need it. And you really want to split up your systems so that any failure in one of the systems doesn't mean you're out of water forever. So that's a problem when you're off grid. But you know, it's all working really nicely. And you know, over the next couple of weeks, I'll just test it out for leaks and see how it goes. Yeah, sit. Oh, sit. Are you finished? Are you done? The plan is to use some of the soil that we're excavating to create a flat spot here. So these rocks here will go on the lower downhill side, and we'll back soil into this spot and produce a flat site. And one of the round raised vegetable beds will actually come and sit in here because at the moment it sits in the wrong spot. And you can see it right at the end of the line there. It sticks out a little bit too far. And it reduces the width of the path there, which is probably no good. It's not optimal. But yeah, shouldn't take too much effort to bring some of the soil up here and create a flat space. We'll probably need a few more rocks to shore up the edges, and yeah, move the raised bed here. Done. In other tasks we've been doing, we had a bit of rain on Monday, which is really well received, and there's water everywhere now, which is really good. We used that opportunity to plant out some of these Japanese maples, and these are fantastic trees here. And some of the ones we've got growing are about 15 years old, and they're super big, and they've got great canopy, super drought hardy too. So I really love these trees. These were actually from seedlings that formed earlier in the year. So you can see it's already grown about, I don't know, that's about 1,200 mils, which is about almost 4 foot. That's a super fast growing plant. Yep, really great. You can tell it's the end of the season. The pumpkin vines are dying off badly. And what happens to them is they get a powdery mildew on it. And it's definitely nothing to do with the temperature. It's just due to reduced daylight hours. So as we get closer to winter. But anyway, whatever the case is, they're dying. We'll end up pulling all this out, chucking it in the paddock, and then just mowing the whole lot up. And it'll just create fertility for the paddock. So easy. Thanks very much for watching. Ollie appreciates your company, and we'll see you all next week. Catch ya.